Right, it's about 10 o'clock in the evening here in Lahore, and I'm hungry. I've been sick for the past few days, so I literally have not had any food. And I found out here in Lahore, just in front of me, there's an old restaurant which is like 100 years old. It's down there. It's called Padra Si Pay. I've no idea if I pronounced that correct, but 100 years old. People told me to come here and try it, so let's check it out. I've just got over being sick for the past literally week, so I'm hoping this doesn't set me back. Jesus Christ, it's been raining today in Lahore. So yeah, wish me luck, I'm going in. Alright, gotta watch where you're going as always. Absolute, hello sir, hello. Okay, hello brother. Oh my god. Alright then. And in we go. Padra Si Pie. Definitely pronouncing that wrong. And here we are. I've just spoken to these guys. Salam alaikum. Let's do it. Okay. So I can try this. Tika? Yeah? Okay, let's try it. I sit upstairs. Just small. English, yes. Koi bad nahi. I go upstairs. So this 350. Okay. Let's do it. I think what I'm getting is this. So you got some sort of gravy, and then this is like mutton leg. No. It's okay. I go upstairs. Yeah, I show you. Yeah, ready? Look, so you got all these famous people that have apparently been here. Who knows? Maybe I'll be put on the wall as well. Highly doubt it. Some people in here. And I think what I've ordered is this. It's this. I've ordered this one. Tika? Okay, small. Just taller. Yes, and this one. Okay, my friend. Thank you. Okay. Right. Up we go. Good lord. Look at this. Toilet. Through the curtain, and here's the boys. Hello, mate. You okay? Right. And this is where I'm going to sit. I can sit here. Koi badni. All right, mate. Here we go. By the way, it's about 38 degrees. Oh, he's putting the fan on for me. Nice guy. So, yeah, it's hot. But I'm going to do this video and then continue this video outside. It's crazy in Lahore. Honestly, it's crazy. But yeah, so let's find out what this famous meal is all about. What's your name? Your name? Great name. My name is Ben. Ben. Yes. Okay, let's wait for the food, yes? Okay, my new friend here has found my channel. There I am. In Pakistan. Yes, mate. Good man. Okay, update. I've been sat here close to 20 minutes. Obviously there's zero English where I am, so I have no idea what's going on. My man here just ran down just to check on what's going on. So I have no idea. I'm pretty sure they're cooking me something. I mean, yeah. So let's give it a few more minutes and hopefully the food arrives. Okay, my friend here just brought me the bill in English. So goat foal, naan 20 rupees, goat foal 350 rupees, and water 40 rupees. So a grand total of 400. I gave him 500 because they're letting me film, so no issues there. But I think it's going to be coming up these stairs any moment now. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, brother? Good man. What's your name? Aapka naam kya hai? Mama Shazar. Good name. Where are you from?
Yes.
You're from Lahore? Lahore? Multan, okay. So the boys here are from Multan. So if you've been watching my Pakistan videos, you notice I've not done pretty much any food videos because I've been sick. I was sick after like the third day, and then I just avoided all Pakistani food. Just been eating like rice, just plain white rice, bread, and that's it. That's literally it really, and crisps. So, oh, here we go, here we go. Yes. Shukriya, my friend, shukriya. And there we go. So one is for you, okay? Yes? No, no, one.
No.
That's too much.
No.
Okay. My friend, one for you, please. Yeah, you take one. Okay. It's okay, right. Here we go, guys. So I don't know the name, Goat's Fall or something, but it looks okay. So let's get the camera set up here and tuck in. So I'm assuming you literally get this naan, dip it in the sauce. Here we go. Looks spicy. And then we just try this naan out. Here we go. It's decent. Very peppery and not spicy. I thought it'd be really spicy, but it's just peppery. The sauce is decent. I like it, guys. Acha, very nice. So now I'm gonna try the meat. I'm not too sure I'm gonna tackle this. Let me figure this out. So I've literally got this massive chunk of meat. Like, look at that. And that is mutton, I believe, a mutton's foot. I might be wrong, but it's definitely mutton. So yeah, I'm going to move this onto a plate and tuck into it because the sauce is piping hot. So let's move it down here. Let's place it onto the garlic naan. Okay, the meat has cooled down, so I can finally tuck into this. I do need a fork, but there's no forks in this restaurant. Basically pure fat, like pure fat. So I'm only going to eat a little bit of this meat, just on the safe side. So I'll have one more bite. I'm just going to eat the naan bread, dip it into the sauce, and then yeah, that'll be enough. So yeah, let me put this onto the plate. Alright, we're out of here. Oh, acha, very good. Thank you, shukriya. Alright then. Thanks, my friend. Bye, my friend. Thank you. Shukriya, shukriya. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Right, back on the streets of, bloody hell, hold on. How do I get past here? Excuse me, my friend, sorry. Hello. Back on the streets of Lahore. Next stop, Pearl Continental for an ice cold beer. Check this out, this looks way better. Literally right next door to where I was just sat, you got all this here. There's chaos in here, look at this, it's rammed. Oh well, get out of here. Hey guys. Right, I've just had a talk with my man here. He's going to take me to PC Hotel. One final glimpse of his chaotic streets. Walaikum salam. Good, my friend. How are you?
Fine. You're informed your small videos.
Yeah, video of Lahore.
Your country's name?
I'm from England. England.
England.
Yeah.
Like it.
Thank you, my friend.
Your name's?
My name is Ben. Ben.
Ben.
B-E-N.
B-E-N.
Yeah.
Ben. My name is Miazen.
Yes. Nice to meet you, my friend. Okay.
My country's English celebrating the enjoys.
Yeah. I don't know what you mean, but I'm going to go, alright, mate?
Me going to England, like it to country.
You go England. Okay, I see you there, my friend. Okay, bye-bye. Right on. Oh my God. Okay, this man's taking me to the PC Hotel. Okay, my friend, ready? Oh man. Oh, what? Sorry. Oh, okay. Oh, check it out. It's chaos down here. I wish I walked a bit further. There's more going on this way. Right, we've arrived at PC Hotel. Lovely driver that. The thing is, in Pakistan, like, you're not going to get scammed in rickshaws. From my experience anyway, they always give you an honest price. No matter where you're going, they give you like the local price, maybe a bit more. So it's always good to tip them. That would not happen in India. They always overcharge. You've got to fight for the right price. I think I'm at PC Hotel. I don't know where the entrance is. I don't know where the bar is, but let's ask these guys. So a lot of people have been messaging me saying, Ben, how are you getting alcohol in Pakistan? Isn't it illegal? It is to 97% of the country, the population. However, if you're a tourist or a non-Muslim, you can get alcohol. Annoyingly, you can't just pop into a local brewery or shop. You've got to go to these 5-star hotels or these small breweries that are super hard to find, and they charge an absolute bomb. It's like £8.50 for one can of beer, but I've been told Pearl Continental right here does it cheaper. So let's find out if it's true or not. Okay, here we go. Pearl Continental. Aha! Elevators, gym, spa, grand ballroom, and the palace. Where is the bar? Where is the bar? We'll go this way. What the? This ain't no bar, it's a bloody gym. It's not what I'm looking for. Where's the bar? Lobby, restaurants, health clubs, swimming pools. It's a bloody swimming pool here. It's well smart. Hello, sir. My friend, where's the bar? The bar for beer. Right, this is a swimming pool. Decent place, this. Not bad. Oh, wait, is this way? My God, where is this place? Oh, my God, this place is huge. Look at this, well smart. That's a restaurant. That's the reception. My God, what a place. I don't know how much this costs tonight. I won't be staying here. Bloody hell, look at this. Good God. Grand piano. Look at these elevators. I feel like I'm in a space bloody time machine or something. Whoa. Got some fancy car over there. Right, I'm getting the elevator. A local just told me room 242 on the second floor. They serve alcohol to foreigners. Oh, I need to press the button too. Here we go. Bloody hell. Bloody lovely here, innit? Jesus. Look at that. 242. Here we go. Hello, my friend. Salam alaikum. 242?
Yes, sir.
Yes, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you. Shukriya. Ah, hello. Yes, here we go. At last. Oh, it smells incredible in here. Right, let me pause this. There's music playing. Let me order a beer. Wow. Alright guys, we are back at the hotel after a couple hours in that bar. I respected the rule not to film, so I did. I didn't film anything in there, but very, very interesting night. Met some very interesting people and also took away some very interesting alcoholic beverage. Murray's Classic Lager. Yeah, you're allowed to take away beer in Pakistan as long as you drink in your hotel room or something. I'm not too sure what the rule is. But yeah, very interesting night. Just goes to show, when you stick yourself out there in Pakistan, get stuck in and speak to the locals, you never know who you're going to meet. Very interesting people in this country. So yeah, great day here in Lahore. I'm here for one more night. So tomorrow, no idea what I'm going to be doing, but I might have a hangover because I've sunk many a beer tonight. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Cheers.